Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video where I'm speaking English, so please be kind. Today I'm going to show you my makeup routine and we are going to start with the eyeliner, which is what I wear most of the time. I still have trouble drawing them without tape. Nothing has changed since my video 2 years ago. To be honest, I generally use eyeliner, mascara and lipstick only. I rarely apply makeup to my complexion because I have very oily skin, but today I'm going to show you my full makeup routine. For the eyeliner wings, I use these little pieces of tape specially made for that purpose. Then I put a little shimmery eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes. I use the Absolute New York palette offered by my cousins. I use it every day. I'm a big fan. For the mascara, it's quite special. I apply a first coat of Nourishing Castor Oil mascara from Amazon. Then I take a pair of tweezers and another mascara to do what we call anime lashes. I really like it because it gives a false lash effect and enlarges the eyes, but be careful because when it's applied this way, if it rains or if you cry, it runs and it will be a mess. I use this concealer from Revolution. I consider that's a little too light for me depending on the season, but trust me, I've got a technique. I like to give a little whitish effect under my eyes, and it's true that right now it probably looks weird and messed up to you, but trust the process. Next comes the CC cream from Revolution, which is as effective as ever and not as heavy as foundation. I find that it gives the face a more radiant, livelier complexion and it's very easy to apply. It will even out my skin tones after concealer. I apply mascara to my lower lashes after concealer because if I had done it before, it would probably have dripped. I use L'Oreal's Paradise Blush on the tip of my nose with my finger and then on my cheeks with a brush. I really like it because I think it warms up my complexion. For the lips, I'm always switching between my lipsticks from Rare Beauty, which I'm a big fan of because it feels like I'm using a lip liner, I also have tinted lip oil, which I admit I use less often, and my two lipsticks from NYX are incredible because they hold up so well. Last but not least, I have this lipstick from Revolution that's at the end of its life, clearly. I've had it for a super long time. It's probably expired and they don't make it anymore, but it looks so good on me, I swear. I can get rid of it even though it's starting to give up the ghost. I first apply a lip liner with brands I don't know because it's faded. I started applying lip liner systematically to hide my dog bite scars, which I find creates asymmetry in my face, unfortunately. And here's the results! Thank you for staying until the end, and I'm sorry for my accent if sometimes it's difficult to understand what I'm saying. I will get better, I promise. And if you liked this video, you can subscribe to see me doing more makeup, skincare. Goodbye!